In today's video, we're taking a look at how to remove your oven's door easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. The first thing that we're gonna do is open the oven. As you can see, this one's clean, and we did that on our last video. If you want to check out how to clean your oven, we'll leave a link on the description of the video. It would go from old to new. And if you want to check out how to clean the inside glass of the door, also we're gonna leave a link on the description. You'll see at the beginning, or if you want to call it the end of the door, you're gonna see two latches on each side, one on the left side and one on the right side. This is what holds the door when it opens and closes it. But if you notice, it has like a little tab that you could pull up and down. Once it's down, that means that your door would not come off the stove. And no, we're not giving you ideas for your friend, family, or loved one in the household. So we lift up the tab latches on each side. And here's the pro tip. Having a helper or an assistant or Watson will come a long way. So either if you choose to remove the door or you choose an assistant, in our case, Dear Watson, we are basically gonna hold the door tight. Then just like we were closing the door, but we don't fully close it, we lift it up a little bit and it should easily come out the stove. Now that the value of your stove went out the window, we're ready to start working. A pro tip, placing a piece of cloth or moving blankets on the table would prevent any scratching on the table and on the door. And that's how easy that is. Now that you replace the door, you can install the new one or the old one or the cleaner one. Whatever activity you did with your oven door, that's your business. Now we're ready to install it again. Now making sure our door hatch is down and the little tab is up, we can reverse engineer our door back to the stove. We basically start a little bit raised, then insert, lower it down, and then bring it down to the full open position. We're ready to put the tabs back down, and now you have conquered the door dragon. You have slayed the dragon once again. You are the DIY boss of your house. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.